Hi friends, now we have MacBook Air laptop. Now I will try to open this and I will show you what are the components will be there. I already opened that panel. I will show you once again. This is the MacBook Air laptop. There are so many screws will be there in this. This is the screws. I have to remove it. After the removing, it will look like this. And this is the batteries. 1 2 3 4. These are all the batteries of the MacBook laptops. Before removing the battery, you have to remove the screws. Screws will be there in this point. After removing the battery screws, you need to open the battery connector. Once you remove the battery connector, now we can easily open this. This is the battery. And this is the board. This is the hard disk. Thank you.